It takes a great heart to shape little minds. A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself Parvati of class 12 of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Narimedu Madurai, standing before you to give a speech on Teachers' Day. A day kept aside to honor all the great souls who have been working day and night to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. It is a special day where we thank our teachers who taught us and shaped us well. But now the situation is completely different. We all are facing an uncertain situation all over the world. The world stands still before the pandemic. During this pandemic also, our teachers are facing great pressure to teach us and to guide us well. We all know that these online classes are far more difficult than physical classes. But overcoming all these difficulties, our teachers always make sure that we are given proper guidance and proper knowledge. The COVID 19 pandemic has profoundly disrupted our educational system. When the school got closed, teachers only had a little time to shift from in person class to remote classes. They often did this with less experience and no proper structure, and also had to gain experience in these online platforms. The stress and uncertainties teachers face raise the serious concern. And I repeat a sentence over here, they always made sure that we are feeling comfortable. The teaching profession has no doubt been at the forefront in adapting to these changes. Many innovative ideas have been adapted by the teacher to reach out to the students, be it online class learning, video links, tests, assignments. The teaching fraternity hasn't shielded away from its responsibilities. But this realization by a student that the teacher is aware of the situation and is taking it into the account can go a long way in providing them the confidence and the mindset to overcome all the stress and anxiety faced during this crisis. A very cliched statement, yet a wise one during these extraordinary times. A empty mind is a devil's workshop. So why does this sentence come over here? Our teachers have been giving online assignments, tests, etc. All these activities are just being given to keep us engaged and to test our knowledge. I conclude by saying that not all superheroes wear caps, some teach. So let us take this occasion, let us take this special day to thank all our teachers who have been with us since KG till now. Instead of leading us by holding our hands, you asked us to go ahead while you observed us from the back. A big thank you to all the teachers of our country. Finally, I thank everyone for giving me their time and listening to me. Thank you, one and all.